Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call, just a quick mail call for you today. Today my silly job title is Spark Specialist. Today I'm the Spark Specialist. Of course in the mail call videos we just go through what's arrived in the mail. I've got 4 bags of stuff from you from AliExpress in China, so I don't know how long it's going to take to get through. Might take us a little while, so let's pop over to the bench and see what's arrived. Alright, well here we are on the bench. I'll put that knife away before I drop it on my foot. Let's have a look and see what's arrived. This is our first bag from China. The old AliExpress bag within bag. There's one bag. And another. I think that's everything from this one. So what have we got here? Electric microphones, very good. So yeah, these are just electric microphones. They obviously don't come with wires attached, so I'll have to solder on my own wire, which is no sort of problem. File that later on. How are we going to get into this guy? This end we can get in. Oh yes, I think I know what this is. We'll see. Oh no, okay, right. This is some sort of a book full of components. It's a component book. I'm not sure what they are. Maybe diodes. Diodes is my guess. I forget. I don't think it needed that much bubble wrap. Oh, that's what we got. Sample book, 100 amp. Yeah. So this is just a whole swag of surface mount diodes, all different types. Great. All right, well, I'll label that. Hang on. All right, there it is, labeled SMD diode. I'll go put that away. Also, I'll just put these away as well. So we've got some small ones there, and some bigger ones here, and another thing. So I'll just fix that up quickly. All right, so that's our microphones put away. A couple of big ones in the front, the new ones there, and then the little guys up the back. I'll put that away. Up next is our second bag. This is the second bag. It's not very heavy. I'm not sure what to expect in here. What have we got? All right. So those are some lab goggles. And this is a lab coat. And this is a magnifying glass and a name tag. Pretty cool. So these are for my little people. When they come to visit, I'll give them their lab coat and we can do science together. Isn't that exciting? So, to find somewhere to keep this. It's all the bits and pieces. I'm expecting 2 lots, so this might be the same, or maybe it'll be coming later. I don't know. This is the 3rd bag for today. Penultimate bag. All right, looks like there's all sorts of stuff in here. All right, well, how are we going to get through all of this? Let's do these. You know about these already. These are acrylic markers. They're basically like white paint. I reckon they'll be good for labeling integrated circuits. So let's keep the bits over there for later on. Would you like to see one of them in action? Give it a bit of a shake. And then here, and let's just draw a love heart. There we go. So yeah, it fades out a little bit. It's not perfect. Yeah. Okay, so that's what it is. It's a white marker. I'll put one here and here and here and here and here. All right. So what have we got here? Some sort of LED thing. Let's chop him out. What are we dealing with? Yes, okay. So this is LED filament. You literally power it up and the whole thing glows. It's really quite remarkable. Cool. I've got somewhere to keep this. I'll find it. I'll be back. Right, I'm back, and this is my LED light strip drawer. So I'll just be adding that in there. I think I might make something for the kids to play with. We'll see. What's in here? Okay, this is something to do with screws. What are we dealing with here? Oh, okay. So these are M2, well, not M2, but various sizes, M2, M3, M4. What do they call them? Hot melt. Brass heat insert nut, hot melt nut insert. Yeah, so it's a hot melt nut insert. Very good. I'll put those away and be right back. All right, so now we've got these water-based acrylic markers, 8 pieces, 4 black, 4 white. So let's cut this open. We're not going to go in there. Let me see our thing. Here it is. Oh, dear me. This is a free ink system. Shake before use. No need to press, just draw. Please recap the pen after use and store horizontally. Nib replacement instruction. Oh, you can replace the nibs. Clamp the original nib with pliers, pull it out, clamp the replacement nib, press the nib into the tip, put the tip downward to make the ink flow into the nib. Very good. So, looks like we've got black and white. So let's see if the black can draw on the white. Sure, that's actually quite good. I like that. It's kind of brush-like. And let's see what happens if we try and draw on here. Oh, these are great. Wow, yeah, they're heaps better than the other ones. Look at the difference. That's the one that we just did. That's the one from earlier. So yeah, these are heaps better. All right. All right. Oh, look! It doesn't dry quickly. It was still wet. Now stained my finger. Now, why on earth did I buy thread? This is thread insert M3, M4, M5, etc. All right, I'll find a place to keep these. All right, so I found my thread drawer. It's labeled thread. It's basically exactly the same as what I had before. So just add those. And then if I need to rethread something, I know where to go. All right, on we go. What have we got here? 6 pieces. Pottery tools. So these are basically just spudges. Spudger. Oh, these are rippers. It's a shame they're double-ended. I prefer it when they're not double-ended. Yeah, right. Cool. I'll keep these spudges in here with my other spudges and stuff. All right, what's in here? Heat insert. No, okay, this is what we saw earlier. Very similar. Ah, oh, okay. These are for these are soldering iron tips for hot melt nuts, such as the ones that we've just seen. See if I can cut that open. Hoi, hoi, hoi. How did that go? Close. There we go. All right, cool. So they're just different size heater elements for my soldering iron. Excellent. Now, this is some sort of tool. Static electricity, it's so annoying, isn't it? Such a hassle. Tongs. Reverse tongs. Cool. Put them in my tool drawer. What do we got here? This heat set soldering. Interesting. So these and these are quite similar, but not exactly the same. So the philosophy is a bit different. Whereas all of these are individuals, this particular one, which I'm having all sorts of trouble getting into, there we go. These are just one insert bit, and then the rest of them are just screw-on attachments. That's how that works. Cool. So that's 2 approaches to soldering irons. So basically, they need the same tip though. That's all well and good. I'll file those soon. Now this is more of the same. Okay. Yep, they're exactly the same. It's just another. It's another variation on the theme. These are pretty cool little boxes that they come in though. I like this. I'm going to keep this little box. I might use it for a project. I think it wants to be cut. All right. There we go. Now, are they the same? They're not the same. Interesting. So one goes one way and the other goes the other way. Fair enough. Keep that for later. What's in here? Oh, this is the LED filament again. And I did keep the drawer out because I was expecting to see it. There's another bit of the LED filament that we saw earlier. I've demoed this on an earlier video, so I won't demo it again now. But basically, you put some power on, and this whole thing lights up like a Christmas tree. It's really bright. The whole thing. It's just like a ring of light. It's quite remarkable, actually. So we're up to our last bag. So let's see what we got in here. It's probably the old bag within bag. I'll be back in a tick. Yep, it's the bag within bag. Hang on a sec, I'll be back. All right, so there was 8 bags in that bag. So this is them. Let's go through them. We've got 8 bags to go. Hopefully it's not the bag within bag within bag. It is. All right, well, we've just got to go through this one at a time. What do we got here? Okay, this is banana plug to alligator clip. That's good. I know where I'll keep these. They can actually be quite handy, the old alligator clip. So let's just switch them around so they're the same. So on this end, it's just a banana clip, and it's the good old double up banana clips, which is quite handy. And then on the other end, it's alligator clips. They look like pretty grippy grips. They've got a wide mouth, pretty wide. Great. Now these are insulation piercing hook clips. So basically, you can put a wire in there, and it'll pierce it and connect, and then it'll give you a banana plug on the back end. So that's good. Where will I keep them? Give me a sec while I think about it. I put them in the drawer labeled banana extensions because it kind of is a banana extension, that logic probe insulation piercing business. Now this is an interesting stencil. Okay. What did they call it? They called it thread checker screw measurement ruler. Okay. Cool. So we've got, I'm not sure what that one right up the top left there is. That's two M3s by the look of it. M3, M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Gee, that's a monster. It's just got a simple ruler along this side, and it's got some screw pitches just along the edge there. Cool. That's good. I like that. I'll put that away. Hang on. All right. Now, these are also insulation piercing thingamajiggers. We'll put them away with the other ones that we had just earlier. They're going to go in here. Very good. And we might as well just keep on going because this is going to go in that drawer as well. And this too. These are all the same. So this is just more of those insulation piercing adapters. And because they've got banana on this end, I call them banana plug extensions. That's what these are. And those other ones that I poured out are these. You can put them on your banana plug and you get a very pointy end. It's sharp and it can pierce insulation, and you can also use it to get up real close with integrated circuits, probing things like that. So you can attach them to your multimeter, use them for probes if you want. So here's more of our alligator leads, which we saw earlier on. So these are the same. I keep these over here. All right. Now this is paint brushes. I got some paint stuff for the kids, so we can do painting together. This is the painting palette. Is it just one? I think it is just one. Yeah, it's just the aluminium palette for painting with. Very good. Now I've got two brushes. I know where I'm going to keep those. All right. I'm not sure where I'll keep my palette. I'm not sure. I'll take off the protective covering. I won't be needing that. I'll just keep it down here for now. Actually, I've got some other stuff. This is similar. It's for paintbrushes and such. Just keep all that together over here. Now, what's this? Disposable plastic syringe. There we go. Okay. See our bag within bag within bag. All right. So these are just little syringes for dispensing fluids. Give me a sec, I'll get the container they're going to go in. I've got this big thing full of stuff. It's full of spray bottles and old film canisters. You remember film canisters? I got the film canisters because we're going to use them for one of our Art of Electronics courses. So that's why I have these. Anyway, I thought that's where I'd keep the syringes in here. So I'll put that away and I'll be back in a sec. All right. What have we got here? Glue applicator syringe. Okay. This is for glue. Very good. So look at all of the options that you've got. A bunch of lids. Cool. I'll have to find somewhere to keep it. I'll be back. All right, well, I've got this, which is where I keep my super glue, and the nozzles for the glue. So thought I might just keep these in here as well. And I've got an old lid here, which will fit. Oh, that's too big. But I was thinking that the various nozzles could just go in the little cup there. Wonderful. And the syringes go there. So it's syringes for glue. Wonderful. All right. Now what's this? It's a needle, piercing needle. Oh, that's what I was going to do. Hang on a sec. I forgot. I was going to make a label. I'll just do that quickly. Hang on. All right. I was just labeling those syringes and needles. What's in here? This is more insulation piercing stuff. Very good. So these are going to go in the banana plug extensions, although they don't look like... Yeah, right. These are extensions for... Let's just see what we've got in here. This is small 2mm, I think it is, 2mm banana plugs, or maybe 1mm, I'm not sure. Anyway, these are small banana plug adapters, so I'll keep them in this drawer. Very good. All right, we're nearly there. This is a silicon test lead needle. Okay. Oh, okay. It's the same. It's more of the insulation piercing needles, and this. Oh, okay. This is these are extensions for probes. So let me just get a probe like this one here. This is the probe from my fluke meter, and I believe it'll plug in like that. Yep. Cool. So these are extensions for probe tips to make them very fine point, which is actually quite good. I'm very happy about that. I'm not sure where I'll keep these. I don't know. I don't know. I could just keep them here. If I keep them without the yeah, I don't know. Not sure where I want to keep these. Very, very confusing. Let's keep them there for now. All right, we've got a couple of bags to go. I'm sure it's in here. It won't be much because it's not very big. Okay, cool. Looks like SMD breakout boards, doesn't it? These are 20 pieces, SOT 23, double-sided SMD. Yeah. Are these all the same? SOT 23. Yeah, they're all the same. Same. All right, I'll find a place to keep these. I'll be back. All right, well, I found this, which is where we'll keep them. I'll just put them away quickly. All right, well, that's organized and labeled. I'll go put that away. I'm just going to organize these into a drawer. Let's do that together. All right, so I've labeled my hot melt soldering iron pieces. We've got two different types of screws, one with the inset and the outset, and then there's these ones which are just all in one piece. So I'll go and file these. I'll be back. All right, on we go. We've got 7 little bags to go. So what have we got here? Yes, these are 0 insertion force sockets. Very good. So I've got a spot for these to go. Would you like to see one? I don't know if they're all the same or if they're different sizes, but they're zero, what's called 0 insertion force. Why won't that come out? Stuck. There it goes. It's a 0 insertion force, so you can pop your IC in, and then you pull the lever up, and it secures an integrated circuit. I'll just find the drawer for these. Here is the drawer for my 0 insertion force sockets. So I got a bunch of them. Let's put them all in there. All right, I'll put those away. All right, well, it's 6 little bags to go. Here is a little bag, and we're going to get in there through here. All right. Oh, I see. They're angular JST sockets, I believe. Yep. Yeah, cool. So these can go on sideways and point out the back. Very good. I'll get the drawer. Hang on. This is my JST PH and JST VH drawer. So it looks like these can live in here. I'll put that away. On we go. What do we got here? Yes, I got a bunch of screws. I'm planning to do some breadboarding on this. I'm going to use this as a breadboard, and I got some screws that might go into it. These are M3 screws of different lengths. I'll show you where I'm going to keep them. I've got this drawer. It's just labeled M3 kit, and it's got some screws already, and also various sizes of washer. So these are going to be the screws I use for my breadboarding activity. All right, I'll put that away. All right, well, it's 4 to go. This chip extractor component puller. All right, it's pretty big for a chip extractor. I'll just chop that out quickly. All right. Well, it's a whole lot of not much ado about nothing. Oh, okay, cool. So that's a chip extractor. We might as well pop him out of his bag. That's just for pulling ICs out of their thing. Very good. Oh, well, I keep that. How about here? And then there's this guy. I don't know how to use it. Looks pretty fancy. Yeah. So yeah, if anyone knows how to use this thing, I think I need an in-service. I need someone to show me how it works. It's pretty cool though. What have we got here? This is a This is a sucker. Yeah, right. I ended up figuring out how to use the one that I've already got, but I do seem to keep losing the tips. There's tips in here, you see. Ah. Ah. I think you push it down and then you put it on, then you let it go and it holds on. So it's push it in, plug it on, let it go, and then it can hold the chip. Push it in, put it on, let it go, and it holds. So yeah, I'll keep that up there because I don't want to lose it. So this is basically the same as what I already have. I'll just pull it out of the thing quickly. So let's just try picking up this guy. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, okay, it's pretty good. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep it. All right, this is oh, it's a TFT display. Holy cow! Yep, it's a TFT display and it's got a rotary dial attached to it. That's cool. Probably two of them. Is this one? Yep, they're the same. Cool. All right. Well, what I'm going to do is just chop out these. I'll do this quickly. All right, so I just put the labels in with them, and I've got this drawer here full of other touch screens and such. So I'm going to keep these in here. Put that there. There. That looks like it'll work. I'll put that away. All right, well, it's 2 bags to go. This is the penultimate bag. Here we go. These sorts of bits and pieces. Okay. Pin header. Pin header. Pin header. A whole bunch of pin header. It's well packaged, I'll give them that. Now, have I got pin header like that? I'll just check. So I do have a drawer full of female pin header. It's labeled female pin header. And there's 2 types. There's the type that we've got just today, and then there's this type, which is harder to cut into pieces. So I'll just put this away quickly. All right, so that's all packed away. I'll put it up that way. All right, so let's have a closer look at this. What have we got? Jump wire patching tools. Okay, so we've got a little bit of buffing sandpaper. And then look at these tiny little things for replacing pads and tracks. And then we've got these little tools. Wow, look at that. Tiny little tools for working with them. I don't know how you get them out of their thing. I don't know. There and there. So this is a straight one. This is a straight one, and this is a curved one. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to take that on. That's so small. So small. I guess we should practice someday. Where will we keep these? I know where to keep them. I'll be right back. All right, this is the last bag. It's another TFT display. That's annoying because I don't think I've got enough space for it in the drawer. These are 1.8 inch smaller. Do they come with the oh, these might fit. They're not too big. Those rotary dials sort of stick right out there, don't they? I'll get the thing and we'll see if we can fit them in. All right, here we are. Here's the thing. I don't know if it's going to fit. Maybe. Yeah, it'll probably squeeze in. All right, well, that's everything out of the bag. So the next job is to do the scrapbooking. So let's do that together quickly now. And that's a wrap. So that was just a mail call for you today. Of course, the show notes will have links to all of the bits and pieces that I bought if you're interested in any of that. And that's the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.